Welcome to your SK280 knitting tutorial. Today, we're making an elegant women's vest from start to finish. We'll focus on knitting the back panel today. For single bed machine knitters, in just 6 minutes, you'll learn essential cast on and anti-curl techniques. Get your carriage and main yarn ready. Let's begin. Pattern details, density 8D. Finished bust 98 centimeters. SR stitches per panel. Length SR seam. Extend 142 needles to position D. Set the main carriage tension to 7. Cast on with main yarn, centering loops on needles. This helps when attaching the cast on comb later. Keep hand-wound loops slightly loose. This helps the carriage form stitches smoothly. With casting undone, the red yarn through feeder #1 and grab the cast on comb. Attach comb upside down, reset counter. Knit 1 row, then remove main yarn. Set cam lever to SJ, run empty row, then push needles to D. Watch this important step carefully. Gently pull the needle comb to center the loops. Now let's show you how to prevent edge curling. Watch closely. For a clearer view of the details, I'll zoom in so you can see each step clearly. Use a crochet hook to pick up the loop from the end needle, with the main yarn at the bottom, and hook it downward. Repeat this from the second needle all the way to the last. After crocheting, thread the main yarn into the feeder and knit 3 rows. Set the main carriage cam lever to SJ. Push the needles to D with the needle pusher. Gently pull the needle comb to center the loops. This step is the same as before. We won't show this step again. Refer back to the detailed demo between 322 and 458. Slide the carriage across to knit 3 rows. Next, we'll work on the back piece main pattern and shape the armholes. Check your hem tension first. Use a crochet hook to loosen if needed. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.